This is the weather forecast video for Monday. It's September the 12th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. Fairly quiet across the country outside of some showers and storms over the west with some monsoonal moisture there. A cold front is entering the United States from Canada that'll bring some much cooler conditions to this area later in the week. Watch warning map from just before midnight, some flood issues over the mid-Atlantic, a wind advisory over Montana. Otherwise, everywhere else, it was rather quiet. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, shows virtually nothing over the state of Iowa, maybe a trace in any sprinkles or showers that come through over the next few days. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a northwesterly flow aloft with a trough over the eastern part of the country. And down at the surface, see a low pressure north of the state with a frontal system moving in late Monday night and into Tuesday morning that could trigger a shower, although it'll be very isolated at best. Tuesday, the frontal system moves through. Cooler conditions after seeing highs in the mid to upper 80s on Monday. We'll see low 70s on Tuesday. Wednesday, high pressure begins to move in. Some more moisture with another disturbance may move into the western part of the state that may trigger a shower then. Highs will be in the mid to upper 60s. Thursday, after seeing morning lows possibly in the mid to upper 30s in colder locations of northeastern Iowa to low to mid 40s elsewhere, we'll see highs in the lower to middle 60s. Friday, the high pressure begins to move off. Slightly warmer, highs in the mid to upper 60s after lows in the lower to mid 40s with mostly sunny to sunny skies. Saturday, winds begin to turn to the south. Temperatures will warm back into at least the low 70s after morning lows in the mid to upper 40s to maybe near 50. Sunday, some moisture begins to be to our west and south and north, but not here. We'll still see highs in the lower 70s with sunny skies. A week from today, Monday the 19th, a trough moving into the plain states to our west, and that could be the next chance of some widespread showers and storms across the state. And at this point, it's already been almost a week in many places that have received rain, so we could be going another week without rain. We head further into Voodoo. Here's the 23rd. Main storm track near the U.S.-Canadian border again as a ridge develops over the southern half of the country. With that, fairly dry except around the edges and corners of the country, the Pacific Northwest, New England, and the South, especially South Florida. And at the end of the forecast on September the 27th, a ridge over the desert southwest in the Four Corners area with the main storm track well up to our north and northeast with a trough over New England. And with that, looks to be dry across the country once more except New England, a tropical system in the Gulf, and the Pacific Northwest. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.